Page 28, Hark, the Herald Angels Sing. 4/4 time, it's got one flat. So either we're in F major or D minor. Well, let's look at the end. We're ending here. It's an F chord, so I guess it's an F major. So my guess it's an F major. Let's talk about the hands one at a time, starting with the right hand. Forget this 5-finger position stuff, it's out the window. Here, at the beginning, you're here, and you gotta reach up for the 3rd finger, because you need to connect these. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 5, 3 here, and then lift up. It's a new phrase, and 4 and 1. You get that some more. Let's go over to page 29. 3rd line down. You have some rest prior to this, so you got plenty of time to move the hand up. Don't forget the B flats, they're important. And lift up the phrase, and 2, then reach down with the thumb. And then, again, during the phrase, you're going to lift up and just move up 1 key. For the last line, that's pretty much it for the right hand. And the left hand, keep the left hand soft until it gets melody. So it starts out with an F and an A, so you're in this position here. And then connect all these notes. There's no phrasing in the left hand, so connect them all legato as best you can. That's a B natural, the last note on page 28. Yeah. Then page 29, you get some rest, and the second line, the left hand gets the melody. So now the left hand plays as loud as the right hand was playing. And then it goes back to soft, because then the right hand takes the melody again. Isn't that nice of it? F sharp, 3rd measure, B flat, C. Last line, B flat. This is the same as the other line. With that. Get the hands worked out one at a time with the fingering and all, where you're sort of comfortable with it, and then try putting them together and see what happens. So it's 1 and 2. So you're lifting up the right hand for the phrase, but keep the left hand legato. 2nd measure there. Lift up. Again, lift up the right hand, but play the left hand legato as best you can. Page 29, 1st line, 2nd measure. That C, that's the left hand plays it, and it's melody, so you got to play it out and connect it. Then lift up before going on. It's a new phrase. Lift up. And lift up. See here, you're in a phrase, you're going to lift up before you go on both hands. But now the left hand's got to be softer. And 3rd line down, going from the 2nd to 3rd measure here. Lift up the right hand, but play the left hand legato. And again, at the end of the 3rd line here, lift the right hand up, end of a phrase, but keep the left hand legato. Lift up. And that's it. You work this out as slowly as you need to. I went kind of fast because I don't want the video to last forever. But you might have to go really super slow. The point is, the beat's got to be steady. However slow you go, keep the beat steady, and you can gradually speed it up over time. This isn't a fast piece. It is a majestic piece. It's, yeah, they're... The left hand soft. Until it gets a melody, and then you got to play it out. So you work it up on your own, it's fine. And when you're ready, then come back and do a play with me on, we'll check the notes and the rhythms. And I want to do that now. I'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands where they start. It's just actually the right hand's here to start, and the left hand's here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 4. And 4. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and